Kasyapa was not the rightful heir to the throne, but he managed to seize power by killing his own father. Fearing retribution from his half-brother, Kasyapa chose Sigiriya as the site for his palace. The palace was designed to be impenetrable, with high walls, a moat filled with crocodiles, and other defenses. It was also a marvel of engineering, with beautiful gardens, fountains, and pools. Despite the palace's beauty and security, Kasyapa lived in constant fear of his brother's army. His fears were eventually realized when Moggallana's army arrived at Sigiriya to defeat him. In the ensuing battle, Kasyapa was killed, and his palace was abandoned. The legend goes on to say that the gods were so angry with Kasyapa's arrogance and cruelty that they destroyed the palace, leaving only the barren rock.